I'm going to squeeze in it if I cannot fit it. Y'all can't tell me the look don't eat. Like these heels, this purse. What's up, y'all? So tomorrow I go to Hawaii. Make some noise, y'all. What the? Ooh. Okay, boom. So yeah, so tomorrow I go to Hawaii. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag. But I wanna show y'all my fits before I pack my bag. So I'm about to show y'all a little look bug. Let's get into it. Y'all, I got stuff. Okay, so my brother had bought me a whole bunch of stuff from Foot Locker. Shout out to my brother. Like, we're locked in. Like, that's my dog. He always gets me right, okay? Love you, poo-poo, if you see this video. So first on deck, we have this Nike. It's like a crop top sweater. It fit kind of loose because I had wore it the other day at school. Y'all, with these like visor shorts, this right here, this crop top. It says Fly, I think. Yeah, it says Fly. So these are like windbreaker, like swim trunks type of pants, but I'm gonna still most likely wear it with this top. I also got some other like Nike shorts I can always add with these. This bra was so hard to put on. I ain't know, cause it come with us. Oh Lord. So this brand is called Melody. Baby, I'm not even finna try to pronounce that. But it's gray, because my favorite color is gray. So he made sure he got me a gray crop top-y. That's my purple. And then from that same brand, that little melanin, whatever, Melody, Me brand. We gonna call it Me, okay? It say Me. So I got like these right here with the matching top. So like we're gonna be doing like excursions, like ATV rides and stuff like that. And this is where I'm gonna be wearing these like little pieces. This is a medium, y'all. I wish I would have been there because I would have been small. So this. I'm probably gonna either wear some flip-flops with this, or I'm probably gonna wear like Converses or my black Yeezys. So here's just like a plain crop top. This is from Cozy. Y'all can see the brand. So C-O-Z-I, Cozy. And then here's the shorts for the Cozy right here. I'm more than likely going to wear this to go ATV riding. This is one of the outfits that my brother bought. So this is the Cozy, I believe that's how you pronounce it, set. And I'm gonna wear these with my black Converses and probably gonna have on my black shades. So I'm about to get into the shebang. Got some silver jewelry. This is a ring. I cannot fit this ring, but this is a necklace, a ring, earrings, bracelet. Bought this black necklace with like gold, like surrounding it, gold accent, whatever you want to call it. And I got like matching hanging earrings. I feel like they gonna eat. And this is just like a cross necklace that I bought. These my hater blockers. These are my hater blockers, y'all. I'm gonna wear this with a black eye. I'm gonna put these on in a second. Just wait. So this is a bathing suit. So it got the top right here, and then the bottoms. Ooh la la. And it has this cover up, evener, la la. So it's like a dress, a mesh dress cover up, and you can adjust the sides. This is the whatever. I don't got a problem with it. I got these orange sandals with it. I'm gonna have on this rope chain like on my neck, and then this orange purse. And this is the actual cover up. This is the cover up. And then like, of course you got this right here, so you can make it like tighter, shorter, longer. I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is, but I feel like this eats. Like, I feel like I could probably wear like some pasties or a black bra with like some black undies and still look really, really stinking cute. Like, so this is actually really, really cute. Like, piece right here. Yeah. I have not tried none of these pieces on. I'm about to try them on, so y'all gonna be there when I see how they look. And they better eat. So this is the crop top. Like this, and then the back is out. I think that's kind of crude. So this is the skirt for it. Long skirt, slit on the side. You can definitely adjust it if you want with these screens. You can adjust the slit, but the length, like the long part, like, no, you can't adjust that, baby. Boom, boom, boom. I'm either thinking about wearing this, which is so stinking cute. Like, who know your girl? Who know your girl? It's so freaking cute. But yeah, I'm thinking about wearing this with either these sandals, the Tories, or like with these clear heels. So I don't know. I'm gonna bring both, and I guess depending on wherever we go, that will determine what I will wear. And then, oh, this is a one piece. It's a one piece, y'all. It's a pants. Yeah, it's a pants. It's not a dress. It's like knitted. Okay. So I'll be wearing this silver necklace with these silver earrings. And like these will be the shoes. So it's like the Givenchy, whatever you want to call it. Boots, right? It's the boots. These boots are so stinking cute. I'm gonna either wear this purse right here. This is the original purse that I picked to wear with this fit, if I'm being honest. And I'm gonna have like my hands like in here like that, just because of the way like this like fits on me. And y'all, wait, anybody who got these Givenchy boots, y'all know, baby, it's just me. But when you try to pull your feet out these things, baby, if you don't got nobody to help you take your feet out, just be prepared, okay? Be prepared to be fighting to get your feet out these things, okay? This outfit right here, if I didn't get any of my clothes, this right here I had to get. Like, I wasn't caring about nothing but this one right here. When I saw it on the girl, I say I had to have it. No questions about it. I was willing to pay whatever I can afford, not whatever, because if it would cost $1 million, I don't got no $1 million. Like, I know I'm a rich college student, but I don't got $1 million. But anyway, this is the top. It's like a corset type of thingy. So stinking cute, right? That's the top, and then this is the bottom. So it is a skirt, and it looks like a scarf, but like it's a skirt, so you tie it around, and then you secure it with these right here. Y'all, that outfit is so cute. So then I am obsessed with this purse. I end up getting this purse right here. I'm in love. A million times over, I am in love. Like, do y'all see the details? Okay? Do y'all? That purse, it eats down. I'm gonna have this, y'all can't tell me the look, like, okay, let me take off. Y'all can't tell me the look don't eat. Like, these heels, the heels alone eats, okay? So like these heels, right? Ooh, I just look so good. Anyway, these heels, this purse, my gold hoops that I'm about to go and purchase. I think I want the cross chain with the, and like, you see, like the slit, like, yeah, like, y'all. When I tell you I'm going to look phenomenal, I'm gonna look phenomenal. And like the purse, like with this necklace, and I'm gonna go buy some hoops. You cannot tell me. This is my favorite outfit. It's been my favorite outfit since everything was in my cart. Oh, this is just like a bathing suit I bought, just like a brown bathing suit. I was like, yeah, I need something like really cute, but basic. But you know, I love me a new type of thing going on. I like that. I got some more shades. So I got a nude. So I got black. This is the nude with my Tory Burches. These sandals right here. And like these the new shades I showed y'all. Yeah. With like, ooh, like this purse. What y'all think? Oh, end up getting this right here. It's like a netted lilac bathing suit. All right, y'all. So this is the bottom. This is gonna be the top. These right here, baby. These lilacs. Yes, Lord. Right, and I was gonna wear these heels with it. Y'all, the heels don't match. They don't match. Like I really, let me see one time. Yeah, no, they're not gonna do it. So what I opted to do was to wear like these sandals right here. It's like some Steve Maddens. They got like some like gold embellishments, and then have like this like MCM like thing. But I think I'm just gonna like hold it like this, or probably, I don't know. Should I hold it like, I'm gonna hold it like something. Maybe I could hold it like this. Like that. Cause I'm not wearing it on my waist like that. It's so ugly. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just probably like that. And then I got these like purple glasses. Like that. Ooh, that's gonna be really cute. Like take a picture like that. Huh. Trust. So that's how this is working. Yeah. Recruit. And I got these from Five and Below, y'all. Like, when I tell you, the fits, they're eating. I didn't think they were gonna look this good, but they're looking pretty good. I can't even. And then I got like this dress right here. It's just cute little, right? It's so stinking cute. And then with my Bottegas, I mean, it kind of don't match really with my Bottega slides, but I mean, I don't care. I think I'm still wear it. Unless I put these on, but like y'all, these little dirty behind hair store sandals. Did I say from the hair store? I don't know. My aunt got me these sandals. I don't know. She probably did get it from the hair store. And like, I was just gonna cut the little bow off, right? Cut the bow off, or pull it off, yank it off, and just wear like this blue. But the bow don't want to come off, and I don't know how I feel about the bow being on my shoe. Like, this bow is really throwing it off for me. I don't want it. So this don't match, and this bow throws it off. So I'm in a rough patch. But honestly, I think I'm wearing Bottegas because I feel like when you far away, you can't really tell that this is yellow and this is orange unless you're really watching. So those don't be watching. And I got like this right here. This is just like a dress I'll probably wear to like dinner. Nothing too crazy, something just to like look cute, but nothing where I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take my picture, be stunning. But it's just something to look cute on an island. So this is the little green little abstract dress I was showing y'all. You know, yeah. And like I said, this is gonna be something cute just to wear like around in the day, or even at night for dinner. With these same black Old Navy flip flops for the $2, okay? These, right? Then I bought this neck pillow because we're going to be on a plane for 13 hours. I'm gonna need this. My sister ended up giving me like a bathing suit that she never wore because she can't fit it. And she was like, girl, I know you can fit that. So this is the skirt, it's a purple. And then, I know she said I don't got no breasts, but honestly, I think she tried it. Y'all, my father gonna be on this trip. You know what? It is what it is. I'm still gonna wear it. And then these are the bottoms. So, you know, you put on like a little diaper and you tie the side. I hate the way these bottoms set up. But first of all, I had to fight to get this little top on. No, I really had to fight for the bottoms. But I mean, it's too small, but I'm gonna wear it anyways. But the skirt, okay, the skirt kind of eats with like these black flip flops that I got from Old Navy. I think this is really, really cute. I guess my sister did her two. And I bought like, these supposed to be like packing cubes to help you like keep your stuff organized and all that. I don't really like the quality. I thought it was gonna be a lot better, but I'm most likely still gonna use them so I can put like my makeup brushes and all that other stuff. But yeah, that's like some of the stuff I bought. If y'all want to see them with like the hair, the nails, all that good stuff, be sure to follow me on Instagram at your girl Black Pocahontas. Okay, my Instagram is black.pocahontas, BLACK.POCAHONTAS, Black Pocahontas.